cái doanh nghiệp startup về công nghệ của Việt Nam thì có những đóng góp rất là quan trọng vào cái việc phát triển kinh tế của đất nước. Chương trình sẽ giúp cho các startup mà được lựa chọn có nhiều cơ hội hơn trong cái việc tiếp cận nguồn vốn, tiếp cận nguồn nhân lực chất lượng cao, cũng như là tiếp cận với các cái đối tác và các cái thị trường trong nước và quốc tế.
Entrepreneurs turn challenges into opportunities and ideas into reality. They build businesses, develop new products, create jobs, bring people together, and find solutions to both local and global problems.
What you folks are doing now is extremely important, and it has a long-term impact on the ecosystem. Google, American Center, the US Mission, and the National Innovation Center of Vietnam are invested to help you folks be successful because we believe in the immense potential you represent.
We were able to identify and collaborate with a different startup in the program. Gaining mutual wins together is one of the pleasant surprises that I actually was able to have. Really looking forward to the rest of the program as well as what comes after the program.
Google actually about the people and the culture. And the Googleness is that's something I would love to imply for my company.
This really shows the growth of the startup ecosystem by the Google team. And so far, in my last 2 days, the teams that I've met have been really exciting. Pretty creative in their ideas, and this really augurs well for the ecosystem in Vietnam.